Hey everyone, welcome to episode 17 of me building my Zenith CH-750 cruiser. And today we finally finished the elevator. Uh, Thought I was going to get this done, a couple of videos ago, but things don't always work out exactly like you plan. So today was the day. Elevator's pretty much done. Um, there's a couple little things I have to do. I haven't mounted the trim tab yet. You'll see in the video it is mounted temporarily with Clecos for testing, but it has to be mounted permanently. I chose not to do that right now because it's going to be vinyl wrapped, and it'll be a whole lot easier to wrap it before it's on the plane. So, other than that, though, the elevator is pretty much done. The working time today was about 3 hours and 15 minutes, give or take. And at the end of this video, you'll see my wife helping me or demonstrating the trim system, the electric trim tab on the elevator. So most of the day, though, was spent doing assembly work, putting things together, using the sandbags here to provide some weight, just to make sure everything is held down nice and flat. There's not allowed to be, I think it's 1 degree of twist in the elevator. Of course, I'm shooting for 0 degrees of twist, so the sandbags help that out quite a bit. Living at the beach has its perks, and these are 1 gallon bags that I just went down and I won't say I stole the sand off the beach, but I borrowed the sand off the beach for damn sure. So putting it all back together here. So the last part that gets done is the hinge line. Basically, once you rivet the hinge, it's all set. So you really can't change anything after that. So if you have any twist in there, it's gonna be there for sure. And here shortly, or heck, maybe it already happened. I don't know. Uh, Had to do the 5 steel rivets, the AS5 stainless steel rivets on the control horn. Maybe it's what I'm doing here shortly. I don't know. Um, wow. Sure am glad the whole plane's not made out of those because they have to be done by hand, first of all, and it takes an incredible amount of effort to squeeze those things. So might if you had a pneumatic puller for it, yeah, okay, maybe. But man, are they tough to pull. There are 5 of those on the elevator. They go in the control horn, so they basically connect the upper and lower control horn section. All right, so we're going to do this again. The first working part of the airplane is the elevator's electric trim system right here, and Missy's going to do the honors.
Ready?
I'm ready.
I better not get shocked.
You will not get shocked. Look at that. It's moving. Just keep holding it. It'll stop on its own. Or better. That lets me know it's working. Sweet. Now reverse the wires.
Ready?
Yep. And there it goes the other direction.
I think it's ready to fly.
Put that sucker in the air. Woohoo! A working part. Yay!